Hi friends, welcome back. Today's recipe is a quick fix meals. This is especially handy for those days when we are not up to cooking anything elaborate. I'm going to make tuna melt. So tuna melt can be served with some potato chips or French fries, restaurant style, where the kids will be happy to eat this meal. So let's go and make tuna melt. To make tuna melt, here we have tuna chunks, canned tuna, about 4 tablespoons, 4 tablespoons of grated cheese, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onion, and quarter teaspoon of celery seeds. They really give a very nice flavor. And here we have chili flakes, half teaspoon or 1 teaspoon as you like. 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise and 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. Then we have the buns here, burger buns. You can even use sliced bread and some butter to spread on the buns. Now let's start making. So these are the celery seeds. I got them from US. I'm sure they are available easily everywhere. Adding a pinch or two of these to soups and salads makes them so flavorful. The taste is really divine. Now let's get started. First we are going to mix all the ingredients in a bowl except butter. First take the tuna chunks and then break them into tiny pieces with spoon. Now add the onions, finely chopped onions, and the grated cheese. I'm not adding all, I'm adding half of it and saving little for topping. Towards the end we'll top the burgers with that. Here goes the mayonnaise. And the ketchup. Chili flakes to your liking. And the celery seeds. If you don't have these, you can use fresh celery as well. Chop it up finely and use about 1 tablespoon. Now mix everything. We don't have to add any salt to this because cheese is salty and even tuna has salt. Mayonnaise also has little bit of tangy flavor, so salt is not required. Mix everything nicely and it's done. Set it aside now. Slice the burgers, cut them into 2 halves. Spread some butter on them. Now this is done and we are going to spread the prepared mixture on them. Divide it into 2 portions and nicely spread it on each bun. Pressing with the back of the spoon or a butter knife. It's just perfect for 2 burgers or 2 sandwiches. Now they are ready to go into the oven. Preheat the oven while you are doing this. Now even the tray, I have rubbed little butter so that the lower portion of the burger also gets roasted well. Bake them at 200 C for about 10 to 12 minutes. Keep a check. After 10 minutes you should just check them. After about 8 or 9 minutes you open and put some more cheese on top. You can use grated cheese, or if you want more cheesy you can put a cheese slice also. At this stage put the other slice of the bun also so that it gets toasted. Now here the delicious tuna melt sandwiches are ready. You can enjoy them with some fries or potato chips. I'm sure kids also will love them. Make some French fries and serve it restaurant style for them, and they'll be so glad to have this for a meal. Who can ever resist such a platter, delicious platter? Friends, do subscribe to the channel if you have not done so, and click on the bell icon to get notifications. Here are some videos from the archives. In case you have missed them, you can check them out now. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.